Today we will study about since, how since is used as a conjunction. This is second part of since. Second use when we are speaking about time in present. So for we need to use since as a conjunction. We will take some example to understand its uses in a sentence and how it is used as a conjunction in a sentence. Let's move on to example. The first example which we have is it is 2 years since I joined math class. Second example which we have is it is 5 days since Ram did not go to his school because he is sick. Next example is it is 10 hours since my father went to duty. The next example is it is 10 seconds since it began raining in my society. Next example is it is several months since they joined the class. It is 2 hours since Ranjan slept on his bed. This is our next example. Next example is it is 3 days since we went to temple. Next example is it is 3 or 4 hours since he called me while I was sleeping. This is our last example of this chapter. Thank you.